Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your BoB credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in www.bobfinancial.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site of BoB Financial Credit Reimagined, go and click the login button at the top right. In the text box on the left hand side of the screen, enter your username and the CAPTCHA generated right beneath the username box. Start off by typing in your username associated with your account, and once you do that, head over to the next field and type in the security CAPTCHA that you can see. Make sure to type it in exactly as it appears right above and click on the proceed button. Follow through the on-screen prompts in order to log into your BoB credit card account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.